Cause the girl them want them fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. I don't say a girl about the road them got to go there. I don't wanna show it. Yeah man. From here to the face I hear the voice today. Don't know a coach I see for the coach and see reacts channel. Just in a good mood today man. I'm back to work. Back to doing what I love, making music and making videos, yo, honestly. Really and truly. There's no better feeling I can feel right now, honestly. But today, we have NR, Lucii, Hearse. You understand? From Pressplay Media. Big up Pressplay on the 1 million subscribers. Still a long time me I watch Pressplay. You understand? I'ma see somebody say, yo, like, you know about drill now. From when you listen drill, I'ma say, brother, from Holloman and 6-7, make Let's Lurk, brother, I never stop. I go through a little time where some songs miss me and Ray, but in like 2017 and things like that. But otherwise from that, brother, I don't miss nothing. You understand? In terms of the artists, them and me rate. But today, NR, Lucii, Hearse. You see this? What is it? Good News Bible. I've been and read the Bible and I get closer to the Almighty, so I'm now gonna make Lucii come and try undo all the good work I did do. I read the Bible. You understand? You understand? What him say? What him say? May I read a random? But for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Anyway, jumping at the reaction now. Come here. I joke thing this. Forward. Lucii. Yeah, man. Yeah.
It's really riding from the ops. Everyone fucking
Elevate, this mix sounds mad.
Fly the hoopty up your dookie, hop back in with a smirk. Laugh and giggle, the boy get hurt, that sauce and egg with nil curb. More time on do not disturb, don't phone my phone, I'm an anti-turb. I'm busy with Tizzy, we chasing Lizzie, trying to put man in a hearse. Fly the hoopty up your dookie, hop back in with a smirk. Laugh and giggle, the boy get hurt, that sauce and egg with nil curb. More time on do not disturb, don't phone my phone, I'm an anti-turb. I'm busy with Tizzy, we chasing Lizzie, trying to put man in a hearse. They see white skin and they think it's funny, until my soul goes into their tummy. I ain't never lapped on my strip like so the 1-2 bang and dropped his McFlurry. Seen off orders turn into kittens, counting for cracking itching for bridge. I don't care anyway, man, serve them. Money is money and money is good. How can you talk about Lucii? What have you done for your hood? The last I heard you was on that side and now you switched was good. How the fuck you better than me? Lucii brought up 2 man in a week. Took a trip through Heath, then shot down a motive. I had doing up high knees. It would have been free, but I got slow feet and somehow the man got speed. But fuck it, it is what it is. That was way back then, nowadays got teeth. If a man wanna come try me, that's unlucky, calm, lucky and violent. That's a 10-time ching and I won't hold back, so hide from me like coronavirus. Fly the hoopty up your dookie, hop back in with a smirk. Laugh and giggle, the boy get hurt, that sauce and egg with nil curb. More time on do not disturb, don't phone my phone, I'm an anti-turb. I'm busy with Tizzy, we chasing Lizzie, trying to put man in a hearse. Fly the hoopty up your dookie, hop back in with a smirk. Laugh and giggle, the boy get hurt, that sauce and egg with nil curb. More time on do not disturb, don't phone my phone, I'm an anti-turb. I'm busy with Tizzy, we chasing Lizzie, trying to put man in a hearse. 019 when I first see witchcraft, took a trip to the witch dog. 020 I looked in the mirror, I didn't see me, but I saw some shit dog. I got big plans, I'm protected, you can't kill me off with some weapon. Try spilling juice from a demon, fuck that, send you up to the heavens. If my young G wanna go bando, said it already, I'll send him Devon. Do a man up on the back road, how I did gave him 7. Or do a man how I did Ned in Bexley, Heath and stamp his melon. I don't clean no blade I've used, I like using my dirty weapons. If I back this blade and put it in you, it's a 50-50 death. I've been doing up bricks on a weekly, I won't say much, but I'm on the edge. Demons deep in my head, got me bopping around with a ZK hench. Length 28 on my leg, I don't care if your mum's in the way, get drenched.
Bro, listen to the ad-lib. Splash her. Oh my god. Oh my.
Me and bro, we know the drill.
No. Hold on, Bunny. Hold on. Yeah, listen to that after. Wow. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. Like, yeah, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Yeah, gaming channel in the link below, music channel in the link below. Yeah, I gotta have to listen to something after that for kind of cleanse. You understand? Cleanse my energy right now, cause boy. Whew, yeah, man. I'm out, dog. I'm just out. I'm out now.